నమస్కారం అండి. నా పేరు రేఖ. నేను 47 years old. I'm from Hyderabad. I want to share my experiences about yoga, that too in Maitri Yoga from Dr. Sukumar Garu. As a woman who am reaching to the 50 years, I have been facing a lot of health problems like PCOD, thyroid and menstrual migraine, which was making me to take a lot of tablets. I needed to take a lot of medication. So I joined the gym, I joined Pilates, I joined aerobics, but nothing was helping me. So one fine day I joined yoga. I started doing yoga, even though my medication was not coming down. So one of my friend, Kavita Reddy, introduced me to Dr. Sukumar Garu, who is from Maitri Yoga. I was scared that how I will go to Mancherial to do yoga with him. But luckily, he is taking online classes due to this pandemic. And trust me, he is taking wonderful. He is a person who connects to all his students. He increases positivity in you and make you to incline to the yoga. He pulls you out of your comfort zone and tell you to do what all asanas you can do. When he takes the classes in the online, he sees each and every student of his. Like, he doesn't say everybody to do all the asanas. He knows what his students have problems, what problems they have. According to that, he asks them to do. And the way he teaches online, trust me, you never forget what you're doing. You are always connected with him. He always talks about patience. He always makes to connect to your body, talk to your body, talk to your nerves, talk about your blood flow, everything. Sunday morning he takes bhajans and I does omkara. My husband, my in-laws, they say when he does omkara, they are like positive vibes in the entire house. He has such a positive voice and a very good tone. Trust me, I tell everybody to join Maitri Yoga. It is our luck that he is taking online classes because of the pandemic. One thing I want to tell about Dr. Sukumar Garu is he knows about his patients. He knows about his students. When he takes the classes, he takes everybody's names and tell you do this, you do this, you do this. He knows who can do what. When I joined Maitri Yoga, I was a bit heavy. Sir always tells to eat clean food, to keep a clean mind, be healthy. He never tells us to starve. He tells us to balance our diet. What all should be eaten, what all shouldn't be eaten. That is the good thing in him. He doesn't write like a chart or something that you shouldn't eat this, shouldn't eat this, shouldn't eat this. He gives a balanced diet, which will make positivity in you when you eat. Yoga is helping me a lot. It's not like other workouts. Other workouts are making me stiff. Because I'm reaching to 50, I need to be more flexible to do my work, my house chores, to take care of my husband, my children, my in-laws and me. Yoga is helping me in that. Dr. Sukumar Garu is helping me to become more flexible. He watches me when I do. He says, Rekha Garu, do this. Rekha Garu, you have migraine, you have to do this. Rekha Garu this, Rekha Garu that. Which is helping me and bringing positivity in me to do more yoga. It is bringing a lot of patience in me. In yoga, you need a lot of patience. It's not like going on, standing on the treadmill and the treadmill moves and you walk. Here, you have to balance your body, talk to your body, have patience to do asanas. It needs a lot of patience. That is taught in Maitri Yoga. Dr. Sukumar Garu is helping me a lot in that, not only physically but mentally too. Because I was going into depression because of taking a lot of medication, lot of tablets, hormone tablets, migraine tablets, etc. etc. I spoke to Sukumar Garu about this. He speaks personally to everyone who has problems. He spoke to me also. He's telling me what to do to control the medication, and I am doing that. He's not forcing anybody. He explains you what to do, what are the side effects and everything. I urge everybody, please do yoga at least 30 minutes a day. And please join Maitri Yoga. I'm personally telling I want everybody to experience Dr. Sukumar Garu's Maitri Yoga. Eat clean food, have clean mind, be healthy and be fit. Dr. Sukumar Garu, thank you so much for bringing positivity in me. You are a wonderful guru. Thank you, sir.